Medicare for All. Everybody wants to know how we're going to pay for this, and so let's look at the three streams of funding for Medicare for All that labor supports. $1.5 trillion per year is what we've got to come up with. These three streams provide $500 billion each. The first one, we call it the Robin Hood tax. We're going to tax every trade on Wall Street half of 1 cent. There are a lot of trades on Wall Street every day. Over the course of 1 year, we'll get the $500 billion. The second stream is taxing the top 1% to 5% of earners in the United States. A lot more. We're going to bring $500 billion out of the top 1% to 5% of earners. The third $500 billion is going to come from payroll taxes paid by us, working class Americans. Our employers will pay 8% of our payroll. Employees will pay 2% of payroll. So let's take a look at the numbers in terms of how this is going to break down for those of us in the maintenance away craft on the railroad. The average maintenance away wage is $28.18 per hour. If you break this down over an annual basis, 2,080 hours is the average straight time number that a worker works per year. That comes to $58,614. Let's divide that by 12 to get our monthly gross income, $4,884 and change. 2% of that figure is $97.69. Well below the $228.89 that most of us on the railroad are paying right now. The railroads themselves will pay 8% of that monthly average, $4,884. That amounts to $390.76. Well below the $1,683 that they're paying per month for our health insurance right now. That's $1,200 difference. That puts money back on the table in negotiations that we can fight with the railroads over for things like more paid time off, higher wages, paid family leave, and the other things that our families need to thrive. The idea here is maintenance away workers have a lot to gain by supporting Medicare for All.